located in Changsha National Economic and Technological Development Zone. CHTC JOVE Heavy Industry Company Limited, a great star in China construction machinery manufacturing industry, is supplying world-class quality products. Join our hands to create better future. CHTC JOVE, a high-tech enterprise, belongs to China National Machinery Industry Company Limited, specialized in manufacturing construction machinery, advanced textile machinery, and new material equipment. Since the establishment of the company, with the advanced technology, the stable and reliable products quality and human-based management, the company has been rising up rapidly. The main construction machinery includes rotary drilling rig, hydraulic excavator, static hydraulic pile driver, full hydraulic crawler multifunctional pile frame, long auger drilling rig, and horizontal directional driller, etc. With stable and reliable performance, the product has been sold to the whole country and over 30 foreign countries. Core competitiveness. The company has a specialized research and development team with high quality. In order to develop more proprietary technology and create more values for customers, the company invested large amount of research and development expenses. The company is a national class key and high-tech enterprise, a national technology innovation demonstration enterprise, and a national torch program key and high-tech enterprise. With more than 200 patents, 20 national and provincial scientific research projects, and 10 product national standards participation and making, the company has the best research and development ability and grow-up ability in the industry. In many years, the company has built a special and suitable marketing and service mode and set up a professional marketing and service team. With rich experience on marketing, the company has full marketing networks in home and abroad, every sales and service network. The company provides first-class products and service to customers in construction machinery industry. The company manufacturing system has built on the basis of hardware platform, process system, management method, and employee concept. The CNC processing center can assure processing quality of main components. The company has built a perfect cover-making production line that equipped with large hydraulic press machines, laser cutting machines, and hundreds of tons of die casting molds, several blasting treatment machines, a number of neat and orderly assembly lines, detailed and effective work instruction, tooling and fixture. ERP management system ensures the continuous production of high-quality products. Best quality products. CHTC JOVE Rotary Drilling Rig is a new kind of board piles construction equipment. It is combined with latest high technology and new process of piling machinery. Its key components are imported from abroad in developed countries. Its control system is highly integrity, multifunctional, fast reaction, and high precision. Drilling mast is automated assembling and dismantling. The luffing mechanism structure is novel. The driving force is powerful and the stability is good. It can be equipped with various drilling tools to adapt for the engineering construction under various complicated geological conditions. Products range from 60Z, 200D to 400D, 420Z, and more than 10 models. CHTC JOVE hydraulic excavators are self-developed medium and small crawler type hydraulic excavators based on market demand and compared with global industry advanced technology. Its power system and hydraulic system are imported originally from abroad. The product's system and function are reliable. Operation is easy and comfortable. There are more than 10 models including JV70C, JV75C, JV85C, JV150C, JV215C, JV235C, etc. in the company. CHTC JOVE Hydraulic Static Pile Driver is a new type of environmental protection construction equipment. Has less pollution, less noise, no vibration. The pile making speed is fast, and the pile quality is high. The product's range is from 60 to 1,200 tons and more than 10 models. CHTC JOVE long auger drilling machines are new design products after lean advanced forwarding technology from abroad. The construction method can not only use CFG, but also use superfluid processing method. With these advantages, high efficiency and energy saving, flexible moving, easy fixing. Its maximum drilling depth can be up to 35 meters. It is multifunctional and suitable for all kinds of soil construction. CHTC JOVE full hydraulic crawler multifunctional pile frame are advanced design piles that integrated with machine, electric, hydraulic, powered by diesel engine or electricity motor, fixed to strong and durable special chassis and large diameter strength crash. Even equipped on large work devices, it is still safe and reliable. It is working more safe, stable and efficient. CHTC JOVE horizontal directional drilling, based on advanced trenchless technology design concept and development of new underground pipeline construction machine. The equipment adapts through hydraulic pressure drive technology to realize the digging of drilling tools, rotary, expansion, drag back and working driver device, and other functions. The leader in the field. With great virtues and ability, CHTC JOVE is developing very fast and is upgrading the product and quality. We will achieve the sales volume of 5 billion Chinese yuan in 3 to 5 years and marching into the first-class equipment manufacturer in the world. Welcome to visit us, CHTC JOVE.